Hello, I'm Nick and watching next camera advisor. Today we are talking about Costway Vacuum Cleaner. You should know about it. Costway Vacuum Cleaner Reviews. Stay connected with this video to know this. Costway Vacuum Cleaner Reviews. Our stick vacuum cleaner will improve your cleaning efficiency and quality of life. You can clean your house and car from top to bottom with the 6-in-1 versatile design. Your home will be competently clean with a suction capability of 16 kPa. By pressing the handle button, you may clean your house without touching anything. Using HEPA and cyclone vacuum cleaner technology, 9.99% of dust and fresh air is removed. The dust cup may be cleaned quickly and easily because it is transparent and washable at 120 degrees. The spinning brush can clean the floor in all directions. A winding fuel make it is simple to store the power cord. Use our vacuum cleaner to make your duties more fun. Do comment your thought about this. Please like this video, and if you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel. Press the bell icon.